Alright, people, we're at 28th Street, downtown side, where we see.
The RW trains.
Alright, let's head out. That needs to be updated as well as the neighborhood map. Today I'm with my colleague, Omar Mera.
Hey, by the way, Shay, you see this? Hi.
Hi, Shay Weaver from DNA Info. Let's see the outside, shall we? Omar, what it says?
RW, this 28th Street station downtown in Brooklyn. Because the station has what?
No free crossover or cross under.
Now we cross over to the uptown.
Era como silbato de árbitro.
Omar, you know that this is so interesting that we seen sign switching done during the day.
Like I said, they have to do this within a set of 3 weeks. The 28th Street station, uptown in Queens, RW.
W,
Not N. Huh?
not in, but only weekends and late nights.
Yep. Alright, and uptown they've also updated it to the R and W. Let's see if they years from the W team. That might have been from years ago, but that's good to maintain that. AIS, it doesn't say 501, it has the old number.
Alright, see ya 34th Street.